Well, how should 911 fees be collected in Madison County? The Madison County Fiscal Court met again this morning to address that question. Originally, a collective agreement between the cities of Richmond and Berea and Madison County focused on property owners.
Right, but now the city of Richmond is planning to use part of the city's budget and pay its share of the fee for the city residents. Well, WKYT's Alyssa Williams and photojournalist Darnell Crenshaw take us inside today's meeting.
Good morning, everyone.
Tuesday morning, the Madison County Fiscal Court had a first reading to repeal the original ordinance from a unified approach of Berea, Richmond, and Madison County when it comes to 911 fees. The original plan would take it off the county tax bill, and the county was the collector of the fee for the cities, but that plan has changed. Last week, the Richmond City Commission approved an ordinance which will pay $2.3 million to cover the fee for Richmond property owners. Richmond Mayor Robert Blythe says there was some disagreement between the city and the county on how the 911 fees would be collected.
I think it's disappointing a little bit from a standpoint of the path, as you saw today, that we went through together to get to this point.
Madison County Deputy Judge Executive Jill Williams shows the fiscal court a timeline of events dating back to 2023 that shows an interlocal agreement between Berea, Richmond, and Madison County working together in agreement to collect 911 fees. At this point, that understanding between those three entities is not on solid ground. Now the question becomes how to collect those fees.
I think they're in agreement that each jurisdiction is going to be responsible. I think that's what the court decided today, that each jurisdiction is going to be responsible for their funding mechanism moving forward.
The county has floated ideas like adding a fee to Madison County water meters or other utilities.
It's typically a monthly fee instead of with the property tax, it's a yearly fee. But I think it's too early to tell whether or not that's going to be the method.
Emergency services must be paid for by the locals now that those federal dollars that covered it will cease in late September. County Judge Executive Taylor says there is a $4.2 million shortfall for 911.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter the funding mechanism. We have to do that, and so we have to figure it out.
In Richmond, with photojournalist Darnell Crenshaw, Alyssa Williams, WKYT.
And the Madison County Fiscal Court will discuss the issue more next Tuesday.